HVLP paint sprayers for 2024. Let's get started. With a one-of-a-kind power switch design, you may start the motor with the start button and activate spray by pushing the trigger for fine, delicate paint application and outstanding results. Its clear channel design enables for simple monitoring and cleaning of paint residue using the accompanying brush and needle. Before spraying, use the simple dust-blowing feature to clear dirt from surfaces, which improves paint adherence and finish quality. Brass nozzles are not only easier to clean, but also less prone to clogging and breakage, ensuring long-term performance. And with a huge 1200 ml container and a long 2.5 mm 8.2 ft power cord, you can paint without having to replenish it frequently or deal with cord management concerns. The paint volume adjustment knob provides fine control for Wagner SprayTech. After usage, keep the Pro 6 spray gun and 15-foot hose easily aboard. Adjustments are simple, with a flow control dial for material output and choices to modify spray patterns between circular and horizontal. Plus, here, it has a 2.2 psi turbine motor and can handle a variety of materials such as urethanes, varnishes, oils, stains, enamels, and more, including water-based lacquer and thinned latex, and the 1QT PTFE-coated paint container with quick lock. Hychika. The flow control knob accurately regulates the spraying output, resulting in increased efficiency over previous approaches. It is simple to disassemble and clean, and comes with a cleaning needle and brush to quickly remove paint residue for continuous usage. This set contains a paint sprayer, a 1200 ml container, 4 spray nozzles, a viscosity cup, a cleaning needle, and a cleaning brush. HomeRite C800971.A. This HomeRite Super Finish Max paint sprayer is ideal for a wide range of DIY projects. It has adjustable settings for horizontal, vertical, and circular spray patterns, as well as a material flow control knob for accurate output adjustment. With 450 watts of power, it can handle a variety of paints and stains, including chalk paint, latex paints, enamels, primers, clear sealers, polyurethane, stain, and varnish. The sprayer has 3 brass spray tips, a 4.0 mm tip for primer, latex paint, a 2.0 mm tip for latex and chalk paint, and a 1.5 mm tip for stains and sealers, offering outstanding performance and versatility for a wide range of coating applications. Trowel wrap. And lastly, this paint sprayer offers high efficiency with its 1400 ml capacity container, ideal for various painting projects like furniture, cabinets, fences, walls, doors, and garden chairs. It has updated motor technology with temperature protection to improve longevity and safety, automatically turning off power at extreme temperatures. Brass nozzles outperform plastic nozzles in terms of clogging prevention and cleaning. Plus, it offers a dust-blowing function for pre-spray surface preparation and a cleaning brush and needle for after-use maintenance, providing effective unclogging and cleaning. Channel for more music reviews and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.